Well, welcome. Another lovely sunny day. Today we're in Hawke's Bay in Hastings. Cars on Windsor. What a lovely day. Lots of cars out here today, so we'll go check some out, see what's on offer. Hopefully see some Subarus, some other stuff. Check out this full leather interior. Get your finest Fiats. Gonna have long arms to work on this car. Smile. Let's get into it, eh? Oh, it's even got the little badge on the oil dipstick. This car was built in Thames. Yeah, it's got it on the VIN plate. I have one of the models in the boxes in the closet is of this car that I have. Except mine's got broken front headlights. No. I would have built that as a kid when... Oh yeah, they have too. It's just the glass though. Oh, a few Murray Minors. For this one, special ute. These are a bit more rare to see around the traps. Nice standard engine, nice and clean. Looking very pretty. I do love this though. They've got all the chrome bits and all the accessories. Looking very, very nice. Everyone does what my dad does, and they get like a little stereo and just put it like one of those portable Bluetooth ones. They've just got it in the glove box. But Dad's got like a long one, and he's just like put it in the back seat of his car. Very tidy car. Lovely little panel van here of an Austin 7. Was just talking to the fella, bit of a purist, loves his Austin 7s. You don't see many nice examples like this. Good, the old Matahua farm. Get your finest Fiats. It's lovely. Lovely 126 here. Oh, this is almost exactly what I'm looking for at the moment. Good condition, but it's got enough bits on it to work on. Lovely little car. Still all original. And this will keep my father happy. We've got some more Bambinas. If I had to guess, my dad probably knows the people who own or fix these cars. That's a nicely done up engine. Very nice. But the best surprise, get ready for it. Smile. Oh, I even got the racing seats in there. I don't know if you could see it. Well, hopefully there's some more Fiats around. Check out this little trike, very cute. Honda Euro. Oh. Tell you what, Scott, my cousin Scott, he would love one of these, I'm sure of it. Park it right next to the NZ. Lovely little trike this.
It's a pretty cool car.
These are some cars that were very cool when I was growing up. Old powerhouse with a Lotus Elites. Got an Esprit in the back as well. And a 7. Very nice. The wind in your hair on this one. This is what I'm talking about. bright yellow. Man, this thing would go. They're gonna have long arms to work on this car. A lovely TVR next to us as well. Mate, all the greats are from the early 2000s. Yeah, check out this full leather interior, that's very nice. Very interesting, I love it. Yeah, these things have giant engines on them. Yeah.
Yeah, just with the vintage car club.
Yeah. Do they use the club circuit out there, or do you go around the main?
We use the full circuit.
Yeah.
They used to use the club circuit.
Yeah. Do they use that anymore?
Yeah.
I don't even know.
I've never been to a meeting there where they've opened it up.
Yeah.
Closed it off.
Because I think last time I was at Topor was probably like 2013, and they still used to use, the MG Club used to use the club circuit still then there, but
yeah,
I have no idea if they use it anymore.
I have been on the old circuit before, but yeah.
Because I wouldn't mind one day. That's what I almost think about doing with that little Ace. I almost want to pimp it out and turn it into a race car.
Yeah.
Just to like,
it's cheap
for a fun weekend away.
Like this car only cost me like $1,000. It doesn't cost a lot, and all you need is like a fire extinguisher, and you don't even really need to fit harnesses or a roll cage.
Not if it's the right class, eh? Yeah. Just a racing helmet. But yeah, if my old man ever comes up here, keep an eye out for you. He would love it.
Yeah, we're here most years.
Yeah. The one he's got in his garage though would be a bit too nice to turn into a race car. Just because it's fully original.
There's a video of it racing at Taupo and stuff.
Oh yeah?
On YouTube, yeah.
What's the name?
Just A40 Farina racing at Taupo.
Yeah, I'll give it a look.
Yeah. That was before it had this motor in it though. It just had like a standard-ish motor in it.
Yeah.
Wasn't as quick as it is now.
Yeah, certified shitbox. Confirmed. What a great car. Very well loved. Love a little minivan like this. It just looks so cool. Lots of fun to be had. Oh, that's it. What a lovely day. Just finished up talking with old mate with the van. He's put a lot of work in it. He's got a couple others at home. Got some interesting plans, so we might see some of them in the future. But yeah, apart from that, it's been a lovely day out. Some of the cars are starting to leave now, some of the people are starting to leave, so I think we're going to leave. Not as many Fiats as I hope, but maybe that's up to me to bring some more Fiat love. More Fiats, Austins and Subarus, eh? And they're all the best cars. Anyway, till next time, peace out.